Step into the heart of sophistication with this bespoke kitchen design. Picture custom black cabinets adorned with exquisite wood carving details and antique brass hardware, a true testament to opulence and craftsmanship. These cabinets aren't just storage, they're pieces of art that elevate your culinary space to unparalleled heights. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, a matching custom-built island boasting a marble countertop. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a sanctuary of luxury, where every detail speaks volumes about refined taste and elegance. Step into the sleek world of minimalism with this kitchen design that's as chic as it is understated. Imagine custom black cabinets, sporting clean lines and concealed handles for a look that's effortlessly streamlined. These cabinets aren't just functional, they're a statement of refined simplicity, bringing a sense of calm to your culinary space. Paired with industrial chic concrete countertops, the contrast is striking, adding an urban edge to the minimalist aesthetic. And let's not forget the stainless steel appliances, lending a touch of modernity and sophistication to the overall design. This kitchen isn't just about cooking, it's a lifestyle, where less truly is more, and every detail speaks volumes about contemporary elegance. Indulge in the epitome of luxury with this breathtaking kitchen design. Picture custom glossy black cabinets, adorned with mirrored insets and lavish gold trim that exudes opulence at every glance. These cabinets aren't just storage, they're works of art, reflecting light and adding a touch of glamour to your culinary haven. Paired with a custom-built island boasting a mesmerizing waterfall edge countertop, every angle is a sight to behold, creating a sense of grandeur that's truly unparalleled. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a sanctuary of sophistication, where every detail is meticulously crafted to elevate your culinary experience to new heights of luxury. Step into the future of culinary elegance with this contemporary kitchen design. Imagine sleek matte black cabinets, seamlessly integrated with LED lighting for a touch of modern flair. The brushed nickel hardware adds a subtle yet stylish accent, elevating the overall look to new heights of sophistication. Paired perfectly with white quartz countertops, the contrast is striking, exuding a sense of pristine modernity. And let's not overlook the geometric tile backsplash, adding a layer of texture and visual interest that ties the whole space together. This kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a statement of sleek, sophisticated design that's sure to impress. Step into the realm of timeless elegance with this transitional kitchen design. Behold the custom black cabinets, boasting shaker-style doors and intricate millwork details that exude sophistication and charm. These cabinets are more than just storage, they're a work of art, seamlessly blending classic craftsmanship with contemporary style. Paired with luxurious marble countertops, the contrast is simply divine, offering a touch of opulence to every meal prep. And let's not overlook the subway tile backsplash, adding a hint of modernity while maintaining the kitchen's timeless appeal. This is more than just a culinary space, it's a testament to impeccable taste and enduring style that transcends trends. Step into the epitome of modern elegance with this stunning kitchen design. Imagine custom black cabinets, gleaming with high-gloss finishes that exude sophistication and style. These cabinets aren't just sleek, they're a statement of contemporary luxury, seamlessly integrating with state-of-the-art appliances for a seamless look. Paired with lustrous black granite countertops, the contrast is striking, adding depth and drama to the space. And let's not overlook the mosaic tile backsplash, a dazzling focal point that adds a touch of artistry to the sleek surroundings. This kitchen isn't just a culinary space, it's a symphony of luxury and innovation, where every detail is meticulously crafted to create a truly unforgettable experience. Welcome to the heart of modern farmhouse charm with this exquisite kitchen design. Feast your eyes on custom black cabinets, adorned with charming beadboard paneling and antique pewter hardware that exudes timeless elegance. These cabinets aren't just functional, they're a nod to rustic craftsmanship and classic style. Paired perfectly with butcher block countertops, the warmth of the wood adds a touch of coziness to the space, inviting you to gather around for memorable meals and conversations. And let's not forget the farmhouse sink, a quintessential element that completes the rustic charm of this kitchen. This isn't just a culinary space, it's a haven of warmth and hospitality, where modern convenience meets timeless allure in perfect harmony. Welcome to the epitome of industrial chic and kitchen design. Feast your eyes on custom black cabinets, boldly showcasing exposed hardware and distressed finishes reminiscent of urban warehouses turned into trendy lofts. These cabinets aren't afraid to show a little character, adding depth and personality to your culinary space. Paired with reclaimed wood countertops, the juxtaposition of materials creates a captivating visual contrast that's both rugged and refined. And let's not forget the subway tile backsplashes, adding a touch of vintage charm that ties the whole look together. This kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a journey through time and style, where rustic meets contemporary with effortless charm. Transport yourself to the serene shores with this coastal-inspired kitchen design. Behold custom black cabinets, adorned with charming glass front doors and woven rattan inserts that evoke the laid-back vibes of beachside living. These cabinets aren't just storage, they're a reflection of coastal charm and relaxed sophistication. Paired with luxurious marble countertops, the combination of materials creates a sense of timeless elegance with a hint of seaside allure. And let's not forget the subway tile backsplash, adding a touch of classic coastal style that ties the whole look together. This kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a tranquil retreat where every detail whispers of sun, sand, and sea. Step back into the chic era of mid-century modernism with this captivating kitchen design. Feast your eyes on custom black cabinets, boasting sleek flat-panel doors and brass hardware that pay homage to the iconic style of the 1950s and 60s. These cabinets aren't just functional, they're a bold statement of retro flair that adds character to your culinary space. Paired perfectly with a custom walnut island, featuring a luxurious quartz countertop, the blend of materials creates a harmonious balance of warmth and sophistication. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a journey through time, where timeless design meets modern functionality in perfect harmony.